Here I have MOTOROLA Moto G34, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly we select language. I'll just stay with English, tap start. Then you can insert SIM card, but if you don't have SIM card on, you can just skip this step and do this later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but you can also set up device offline and just skip this step. Then you have to disable all these switchers, tap accept and continue. Then you should set up date and time. Then you can disable these switchers too. Tap accept here. Then you can set up device protection, but you can also just skip this step and do this later in settings. Or just don't do this at all if you don't feel like it. Then you should tap not now, not now, not now once again. Here you should select navigation style. I suggest to use gestures. If you don't know how to use them, here you have a tutorial. Tap next, and device is all set up. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.